Greetings, Salesforce aficionados. Welcome to Custom Crafters by Careerya, the podcast where we unravel the intricacies of advanced Salesforce customization. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're diving deep into the world of record types, page layouts, field history tracking, and validation rules. Get ready for an immersive journey through Salesforce customization with real-world examples, practical insights, and a quiz to challenge your mastery. Podcast episode: Mastering Salesforce Customization, Record Types, Page Layouts, Field History Tracking, and Validation Rules. Let's commence our exploration by understanding the art of tailoring user experiences record types. Segment 1: Crafting experiences record types in Salesforce. Record types allow you to present different layouts and pick list values to different users based on their profiles. It's like tailoring the Salesforce interface to fit the unique needs of various users. Example 1. Picture managing opportunities. With record types, you can have different page layouts for new business and renewal opportunities, ensuring that each user sees the relevant fields and values. Now, let's delve into the design canvas page layouts. Segment 2: Designing the interface page layouts in Salesforce. Page layouts define the structure and organization of information on records. They're like the architectural blueprints that determine how data is presented to users. Example 2. Imagine managing accounts. You can have different page layouts for customer and prospect accounts, displaying information tailored to the specific needs of each type. Moving on, let's travel back in time with field history tracking. Segment 3: Time capsule field history tracking in Salesforce. Field history tracking allows you to track changes to specific fields over time. It's like creating a time capsule that preserves the evolution of your data. Example 3. Consider tracking changes to the close date field on opportunities. Field history tracking records when the close date is modified, providing a historical trail of decision making. Now, let's ensure data integrity with validation rules. Segment 4: Upholding integrity validation rules in Salesforce. Validation rules are the gatekeepers that enforce data quality by checking data before it's saved to the database. They're like the guardians of accurate and consistent information. Example 4. Think of a validation rule on the email field. It can ensure that email addresses entered meet a specific format, preventing inaccurate or incomplete data. Now, let's challenge your customization mastery with a comprehensive quiz. Quiz: Customization Mastery Challenge. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of record types in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. Record types allow you to present different layouts and pick list values to different users based on their profiles. Question 2. How do validation rules contribute to data quality in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. Validation rules enforce data quality by checking data before it's saved to the database, ensuring accurate and consistent information. Great job! Let's wrap up our customization journey. Conclusion: Record types, page layouts, field history tracking, and validation rules are the pillars of advanced Salesforce customization. By mastering these tools, you have the ability to sculpt a Salesforce instance that precisely aligns with your organization's needs. Thanks for joining Custom Crafters by Careerya. If this episode sparked a surge of inspiration in your Salesforce journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more advanced customization insights. Until our next venture into the realm of Salesforce customization, this is Careerya, signing off. Remember, in the world of customization, every tweak shapes perfection.